Hello, traders. I gave a trade signal on Euro GBP, and I'm sure you have all seen the results now. This was the trade opportunity I gave on Euro GBP. Now, you all saw this signal, right? I told you that when Euro GBP comes to this level here, we should all buy. When you check the previous video before this one, that was the signal on Euro GBP. I indicated that we should all buy in a zone here. And it has played out perfectly. And it has given us the take profit that we were looking for, 100 pips. As you can see, Euro GBP went all the way to a buy. Now, I am going to give you another signal today. Now, I am going to be giving you signals that will require a lot of time and patience. Just as Euro GBP, you had to wait for some weeks. I think we are in the second week or so, and this trade played out perfectly. The same way, I am going to give you another trade, and please, the patience is much needed. Is that okay? So the trade opportunity I would like to share with you is GBPJPY. This trade opportunity is what I want to share with you. GBPJPY. This is 4-hour time frame. If I come to the 1-hour time frame, here we are on the 1-hour time frame. We are actually looking at where this trade is currently, where it is now. If I zoom in a bit, you will see that it has come to a level here. Let me give you the shape to show you what I'm talking about. You will see that it has come to a level here. If you look, this level is a past resistance that got broken. Now, many will think that this resistance that got broken to the upside has been broken to the downside. But if you look at it, it is not yet broken as such. Again, if you look at the trend of the market, you will see that the trend is still on a buy trend. If you look at it here, you can still see that it is still on a buy trend, as you can all see the trend line. So we would like to use these two areas, the previous resistance and the trend line, as our basis to take this trade opportunity. Is that okay? So just as I have drawn the trend line, you can see that the trade is almost coming down to the trend line level. So that is the basis for which we want to take this trade opportunity as a buy. Is that okay? So we are looking for a buy opportunity. So let me put in the demarcation again and give you the take profit and the stop loss. So we are looking at this area here, this trend line area here, to go buy. This is the area we are looking for to go buy. So this area here, if you look at the price, the top currently, let's use the down, okay, as our parameters. If you look at the top, the down is around 95.21. 95.21. So we are actually looking at the trade coming into this zone for us to go buy. And currently the trade is in the zone, okay? The trade is in the zone. So now that the trade is in the zone, we can look for that buy opportunity that we are hoping to take, all right? Now, mind you, GBPJPY is a trade that has a lot of volatility. It can move a lot. And so when you want to enter this trade, please be mindful of your lot size. Go with a moderate lot size. Do not kind of overtrade by increasing your lot sizes because you feel like this is a signal Kofi Dollar is giving you on leading Forex, so you should just go anyway, anyhow. No, please go with a moderate lot size. Is that okay? So we are looking at this zone to buy, and currently the trade is in this zone Today's date is 2nd July, right? Sorry, 2nd July 2025. So what is going to be our take profit? Let's look at our take profit. So if we are to put in our take profit, first of all, we are buying. That is the signal. So let's put this there, buy. GBPJPY, we are looking at a buy. 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 So buy at the zone. So you have to buy at the blue zone. Is that okay? So buy at the blue zone. Oh, I think I need to change the color of the writing so that you can see it well. So you have to buy at the blue zone. Buy at the blue zone. I'm sure you can see this now, right? Buy at the zone. Okay. Should I increase? Let me increase it to 40. The writings. Okay. So buy at the blue zone. I think this is much better. I'm sure you can all see this now. Should I make it 20 rather? Let me see. Okay, good. So this is better. So buy at the blue zone. That is the instruction. And our take profit is going to be 100 pips. So if we are to use the top of the zone to do our calculation, the top of the zone is 195.516. 195.516. So we are using that as our entry. So entry price, let me write that quickly. Entry price. Entry price. Entry is 195.216. So let's use this as, or am I wrong? Let me see. Yes, I think that is it. So 295 is 516 rather, not 216. It's 516. 295, 516. That is our entry price. So let's take this as our entry price. This is our entry price. So what is our take profit? Our take profit is going to be, quickly, let's put that there. I'm typing, so pardon me for the delay. So our take profit is going to be, TP is going to be 196.515. Sorry, 516 rather. That is a buy. So our take profit is going to be this. So this is our take profit. So what is going to be our stop loss? Okay, let's go for our stop loss quickly. Our stop loss is going to be 194.516. That is going to be our SL, which is stop loss. Is that okay? So the stop loss, I'm going to put it in red so that you know that this is the danger. Okay, so this is our stop loss over here. So this trade opportunity is set now. Our stop loss is 194.516. Our take profit is 196.516. Our entry, we are using the upper part of the zone, which is 195.516. So the signal is a buy, GBPJPY buy. That is the entry and then the signal. So let's wish ourselves all the best. This is my next setup for you. Let's go for it. But if you want to learn, you can go back to the previous signal I gave on Euro GBP and see how it played out and compare with your chart and see what has happened now. Is that okay? All right. Thank you very much. Hopefully, I'll see you in another video. Thank you.